Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. In today's video, we are going to start one of the most widely used modules in SAP, which is material management. It is also known as SAP MM. Now you might wonder what exactly is SAP MM. So in simple words, SAP MM is the module that takes care of all the activities related to materials in an organization, whether it's purchasing of raw materials or storing them or delivering the finished products to the customer. So SAP MM deals with all of these uh, above. So it is an essential SAP module that manages the procurement and inventory of goods and services within an organization's supply chain. It handles the procurement activities, flow of material from planning and purchasing to storage. It ensures that the right material is available at the right time and at the right cost. So sometimes what happens uh, if there is overflow of material, then the entire warehouse management gets troubled, like it gets disturbed. If suppose a warehouse, let's say it's of 10,000 square feet, and you have procured additional material which is not being used, so that space is getting arrested with that material, and we are not getting space for the required material. So in this case, material management is very important. It integrates with other modules like FI, SD, PP, WM, supporting end-to-end logistics. So FI is financial accounting, SD is sales and distribution, PP is production planning, and WM is warehouse management. So we will discuss all this in coming futures videos. So the key functions of SAP MM. So key functions of SAP MM are like purchasing, inventory management, and data management. So what is purchasing? Purchasing, as we all know, that it manages all the aspects of procurement process, including creating of purchase requisition, creation of purchase orders, and managing vendor relationships. Inventory management. Inventory management tracks material stock levels and movements, providing real-time visibility and control over the inventory. And master data management. Master data management manages essential data such as material master, vendor master, purchasing info records, ensuring consistency and accuracy across the organization. So all these master data like material master, vendor master, and purchasing info record, source list, all this we will be discussing in coming videos, and also I will be showing you the configurations or like how to do it in system. So let's come to organization structure. So this is the example of organization structure where we have company. So the first organization structure in any organization is company. Then we have FI, financial and controlling. Then we have modules like material management and sales and distribution. So in this video we'll be focusing mostly on material management. So this is the key, like this is the introduction to material management, where we'll be discussing how to configure purchase organization plan, storage location, etc. This image is just for a reference, like what are the standard organization structure. So we have company, we have company code, we have plant, we have sales organization, in that we have distribution channel and division. So all these sales organization, distribution channel and division comes into sales area, and it forms entire sales and distribution. Same company code we have in financial and controlling. So there we have COA, which is chart of accounts, controlling area, credit control area. So this all comes into FI module. So company code. So this is the basic structure. Like client means company. The client has different company codes. Suppose they have two company codes, and in this company code they have these two plans, and in this company code they have only this one plan, and in this plan these are the storage locations. So we'll take one real-time example. Okay, so if we'll see the company, suppose Tata group of company is the company. company codes will be Tata Motors, Tata Steel, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. These all are the company codes under one company. Then suppose Tata Motors has its plants in Pune, Jamshedpur, Lucknow. So these are the plants which like in different area there will be different plants. Then they will be having various storage locations in plants. Like there will be a section called as tires, where they will store all the tires in that location. Then there will be engine location. Same it will be for finished cars, raw materials, then liquidation, scrap. All these locations will be created in the system and also in the plant physically. Then coming to purchase organization. So purchase organization is nothing but the team which procures the material. It is known as purchase organization. So coming to master data. So in SAP MM, there are different types of master data in system. So first is material master, where all the material details are stored. All the materials which are incoming. Suppose screw. If any 5-inch screw is inwarding in the system, then that is one material. If 10-inch screw is coming, then that is one material. So for each different material there will be a separate material master. Then we have vendor master, and now in S4 HANA it is known as business partner, BP. So here we will be storing all the details related to business partner, like vendors. Then we have purchase info record. Purchase info record is the linkage between the material and vendor, and it contains information such as validity dates, price, uh, uh, then etc. So I will be showing you this how to create in system. Then we will discuss this in detail. Source list. Source list, it determines which vendors are authorized to supply material within a specific time frame. So while creation of source list, we will be giving some specific time period for that vendor, and in that period only that vendor can supply the said material. So this is known as source list. Then we have condition master. Condition master includes data such as prices, discounts, surcharges, and taxes that are applied during procurement. So when we create a PO in upcoming videos, I will show you how this is done. Then service master. Service master is used for service procurement activities. Then in SAP MM, the one was the most important process is procurement to pay cycle. It is also known as P2P cycle. So P2P cycle starts with purchase requisition, which is PR. What is PR? PR is a informal internal document used by an employer department within an organization to request goods or services from the company. Okay, so if suppose let's say you're from maintenance department and you need gloves. So what we will be doing, we will be creating a purchase requisition in our SAP that we need 100 quantity of gloves, and this purchase requisition will be shared with the purchase department. Then after that, once the purchase requisition is shared with the purchase department, purchasing team will check the uh, purchase requisition, and basis that it will be converted to purchase order by taking the codes from the vendors. So this is the basic stage of purchase requisition. Then we have PO. As already said that PR, like we will raise the purchase requisition for let's say gloves. Then that PR will be converted to PO by the purchasing department, or if there is any other requirement from the purchasing side point of view, then they will create a purchase order. So purchase order is a legally binding document issued by a buyer to vendor, confirming that the quantity of the goods, prices, delivery dates of the goods to be procured are met. So the key T code for purchase order creation is ME21N. So I will show you in upcoming videos how to use this ME21N T code. And also for purchase requisition we have ME51N. So once we type the ME51 T code in SAP, then a purchase requisition screen will open where we can create a purchase requisition. Then we have good receipt. Now as soon and now if the PO is created, that PO will be shared with the vendor. Okay, so vendor will deliver the goods to our location, say let's say plant or warehouse. Then when the once the material is received and warehouse, there will be some checks, like we can say quality checks or quantity checks of that material, and if all the quantity is met, then we will post it into system which is known as good receipt. So good receipt is an official recording of physical goods entering a warehouse or plant, which increases the inventory stock and updates the financial accounting and purchase order history. So financial accounting is something which is a new topic, and it is a very vast topic. So that will be covered in FIMM integration. So, but you just keep in mind that when the goods receipt is posted, financial accounting gets posted in system, and the T code for this is MIGO, MIGO, MIGO. Then we have invoice verification. Now, invoice verification is a crucial step in P2P cycle process, because when vendor incoming vendor invoices are checked against purchase order and goods receipt for accuracy in price, content, tax, and payment term. This is also known as three-way match. Three-way match is when we will do Myro, then it is known as three-way match, because it pure, then Migo, then Myro. So this is known as three-way match, and two-way match means only we will do Migo. Then the last one is vendor payment. So this is the activity of FI. So we need not to involve in this, but still we should be aware that what is the vendor payment. So vendor payment in SAP involves receiving an invoice, recording it, and then processing the payment through FI module. So F-53 is the manual payment T code, where uh, where we can do the payment to the vendor, and F-11 is automatic payment program, where we can run the automatic program for the payments. So integration with other modules. One of the best thing about SAP is integration. Like MM doesn't work in isolation. It connects with other modules too. It connects with FI. So here you can see MMFI. So this is known as MMFI integration. So good receipts create accounting entries, invoice verification posting. So accounting entries are created, vendor payments are done in MMFI integration. MMHD integration. Materials are delivered to customer using shipping points defined in MM, and this delivery and shipping point come into MM and HD integration. MM and PP integration. Production requires raw material which are reserved and issued for material management. So if something is been produced, like if the manufacturing unit is producing something, then they require this production planning and material reservation, which is also known as MRP. So that is taken care by MMPP integration, and MMWM integration is warehouse or bin management. So that is entire different topic which we will be not be covering, but we will be seeing this MMFI, MMHD, and MMPP integration in detail in the coming videos. So now we will come to configurations, like how to configure the organization structure in the system. So, these are the elements which we will be configuring today: company, company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchase group. Okay. So the model responsible as also mentioned over here. So company and company code is created by FI team. We need not to create company and company code as a SAP MM consultant. But plant, storage location, purchase organization, purchase group is created by MM consultant. So here there is a method. So company we will be creating by new entry. Company code can be created by new entries also, and as well as copiers also. So suppose you have created one company code in system, and after that you need to create one more company code. So we need not to enter all the details again. We can simply use copy as function, and just we can change what are the different fields in that. Same for plant, we can create with new entries and copiers. For storage location, it is new entries. Purchase organization, it is new entries. Purchase group is in it is new entries. So we will see in system how these all the elements are created. Okay. So first we'll see company. So company is a 6 characters uh, of in length, and for creation of company, we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define company. In that, then we will select new entry. So this is not the work of MM consultant. FI will be doing this, but still we will see in system how it is done. So we'll go to SAP. Oh, sorry. There is some server issue. Let's retry once. Okay. Okay. So this is the initial SAP screen. Now we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference ING, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So we will go to SPRO. We'll go to SAP reference ING. Then we'll go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So this path I will just okay. So this is define company. Here we have new entries. Okay. So we will so company can be given to 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 characters is not taken. So we can create a company with 6 characters. So let's say company name is SAP Practice, or let's say Tata Motors, Tata Group of companies, their company. Then we will see, let's say Pune 41023, same 41023, city Pune, country IN. So here we can see the countries which are available, but then we know like we need to give India, so I'm selecting India. Language key should be English, EN, and currency will be, so it is India, so INR. Okay, and entry already exists with the same key, so we need to change the name. TATGP. Yes, okay. So this is my name, Tata Group of Companies. I will save this. So here, like customization request will be pop up, and our company will be created. So now I will take this company and paste over here. So this we have created a company. Now we will create company code. Okay. So company has is been created. Now we will be creating company code. So for creation of company code, we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference and the same enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. So this is like I will show you in system only. So same like SAP reference IMG, then coming to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. So we will click on this. So here we have two options. Okay. Now if you want to copy from your existing system, existing company code, then you will select the first option, which is this one. But here we need and then we need to go to this copy. Okay. But then we need to have our own company code, previous company code. So now we don't have, so I will be creating a new one. So I will go to edit company code data. Okay, the data is logged by user Abhi. Okay, so this is a error. Like if someone is already available on this screen, then we can't edit anything in this. So to solve this error, what we need to do, we will go to, we'll create one new session. Okay, we'll create one new screen. We'll go to SM12. Oh, we need to copy his name also. Okay, so he's not in, he has moved from the system. Okay, so let's see. So then we will click on new entries. So your company code is of 4 characters. Like we can create only 4 characters, not more than that. So I will create company code as Tata. Company name Tata Motors Private Limited. City will be Pune. Country is IN. Currency is INR. Language is EN. Okay, Tata name is already in system, so someone has already created it. I will create Pata. Okay, so I will save this. Control S, save. Now see, for creation of company code, we need to give all the details. So title is company, we can give anything like if it is government company, it is HUF, LLP company, or it is under name of a person. So Mr. Mrs. Proprietor, trust, anything. So mine is company, so I will give company. Tata Motors Private Limited. Search term. Now if you want to search any company code, so that we can enter it. Like suppose if I want to search, then I will click on Pata. If I'll click search Pata, then this company code will be visible. So it's this is known as search term. Okay, so street or house number. So this is our address. So like let's say Pune Talegaon MIDC. Postal code anything will 6 digits. Okay, country is India, region is, so region, here region I think 27 is for Maharashtra, so we will just check. No, 27 is not for Maharashtra, 13 is for Maharashtra. Okay, so we will give 13. Here some fields are mandatory, like language is mandatory, then postal code, country India, region, these are the mandatory fields. Search term is mandatory field. Email, we can give the company emails. Suppose Pune Motors Tata.com. So this is my mail ID, for example, and we can save this. Our company code has been created successfully in the system. It's taking some time. Yeah, so the company code has been created. I will just snipe this and paste it in our PPT for future reference. Okay, so company code has been created. Now we will create plant. Okay, so for creating a plant, we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference ing, enterprise structure, definition. Now after definition, here we will be going to financial accounting because it was of FI module activity. Now for us, like for MM side, we need to go to logistics general. Then there we have option of define plant, and then we have copy delete check plan for copy as, and also we have new entries option as I have mentioned earlier. So we'll check in system. I'll go back, or I will go to main screen. Okay, so this is our main initial screen. First I will go to SPRO, then I will go to SCP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, define plant. Very easy. So anyone, if they will practice, they can do this. So here also, like one more I need to say, if you need to create a new plan, we will go on define plan. But if you need to copy the plan like from the existing plan, then you'll click on copy delete check plan. Okay, so now we are defining the plan, so I am going on define plan. Here I will give new entry. So here also it is of 4 letters. Okay, so like I will give name as PNQ, which is Pune 32. PNQ 3, sorry, 4 letters. PNQ 3, Tata plant, Prasad. So just for my reference, so that we can get it later. Country code. So what is the country code over here? Mm, case we will give iron. Okay. Okay, so here we have to give. Okay, so company P, name of the company is Tata. What you have given? Tata Plan Prasad. Tata Plan Prasad. Search term. Search term PNQ3, which is our plant name. Street or house number we can give, suppose Navla Kumre. Postal code 41111. Country region IN. Region 13 is for Maharashtra, right? So 13 will give. Number we can give anything, 10 digits. Email. And then we'll save this. See, the plant has been created. Okay, so need not to use this country code and city code. We have to just give country or region, then street or house name, PO box, postal code, city. We can give city also. Region 13 is Maharashtra, and we have created the plant successfully. Just take a screenshot of this and I will paste it in our slide. So this is for a future reference. Now we will use this as a base to create a plan, to create storage locations and all. Okay, so now we have created a plan PNQ3. So as we all know, like storage location is created inside the plant. So once if you need to go to create storage location, you need to go to SPRO, SCP reference ING, enterprise structure, definition, material management, and maintain storage location. So we'll just check in system once. Slash tech and SPRO, SCP reference ING, enterprise structure, definition, material management for storage location, maintain storage location. Okay. So now it is asking for a plant because storage location is created inside the plant. So what plant we have created? We have created PNQ3. So we'll write here PNQ3. Enter. See. So this in this plant we can create n number of storage location. So for this we need to go to new entries and suppose SL01 is my first storage location. Storage. Suppose this is for raw material. So SL01 is created for raw material storage. Uh, Raw materials. Okay. SL02 is created for finished goods. SL03 is created for, let's say, return material. And RL01 is created for, let's say, liquidation. SCRP SCRP is created for scrap. So these are the locations which I have created in system. Now these locations will be used in future for storage of material. Suppose I am creating a new material, let's say raw material. So I will be using SL01 to store the material. Then for finished goods, I will be using SL02. So we can create n number of material as per your demand. Suppose you want to create 1, 2, 3, 4. So same can be created in system. And you want this to be created for let's say semi-finished. So this can be created. See, this already has been created. Now I've saved. Control S is for saving. I've saved the data. I will just take the screenshot. and I will paste it over here. Okay, so we have created storage location also. Now we will create purchase organization. So as we know that purchase organization is used for creation of why we are creating purchase organization, because a purchase organization is responsible for purchasing of goods. So we need to create one purchase organization into system, so that that can be assigned to plant, and we can start purchasing of any goods. So for this we need to go to enterprise structure definition, material management, and maintain purchase organization. Okay, so we have already created plant. Now see, after maintain storage location we have maintain purchase authorization under material management, because this is MM activity. So we'll click on MM. Here we will click on new entries. Suppose your purchase organization is let's say Tata TAT1. This is a central purchase organization. Purchase organization for Tata. Okay, so you have created. Okay, so entry already exists. We need to change TLM. So TLM system as considered. So this is our purchase organization which will be responsible for purchasing of goods in the future. So I will just take a screenshot of this, like we have created a purchase organization, and I will paste it over here. Okay. So today we have discussed like the basic introduction of SAP MM. Okay, and coming to the end of this video, like I will stop over here because the video is bit lengthy now. So till now we have discussed why MM is important, what is SAP MM, then we have discussed the organization structure. Just comment what all organization structures are we have discussed, and if anything is missing. Then we have checked master data and procurement cycle, which is P2P cycle. Then we have seen the integration with order modules, and then we have seen the configuration of organization structure till purchase organization. Now in the next video, we will deep dive into assignment of organization structure, like how company code is assigned to company, and then or how plant is assigned to company code. And after this, we'll try to cover the creation of materials in same video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and kindly share and subscribe this video. Uh, and your support motivates me to bring more SAP contents for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.